What else have you got for us, Paige?
I've got.
Oh.
Brand new kit. What can you tell me about this?
That's
The
the
e-tron.
RS e-tron.
Is this based on an existing model?
Well, no. Well, it's electric. So it's a GT. It's like a RS6.
So it's an RS6 body, is it?
RS6, RX7. Yeah, I want to say that it is.
Okay.
I can't say with any conviction, but yes, they do have a RS 6 or 7 that looks very, very similar to that.
Right.
And being an e-tron will make it a electric vehicle.
Mm. So this is actually...
And it's by Revell.
It is by Revell.
Do you say Revell?
Oh, sometimes I say Revell. It's just
Or
like
Revell.
saying decal or decal.
Or steckle.
You say steckle.
I say steckle because it's halfway between a sticker and a decal.
Well, this is actually quite an interesting kit because what you see on the box is actually a photo of the actual model build.
What?
Yeah.
What, and shiny?
Well, I guess so. When I first looked at this, I thought, oh, it's another easy click, snap together kit.
Yeah.
And in general, you think, oh, they're going to be a bit basic. But this is actually a complicated snap together kit.
But it still snaps together.
With, 71 parts. Don't need glue at all. So if we look at the top view, this will give you an idea of...
So you can do an unboxing?
I won't do an unboxing.
Okay.
But there you go.
Are you going to put one in the model show?
I don't know. I think it looks pretty interesting. So it is molded in blue. So to get it really, really shiny as per the box, we'll need to paint that.
You could paint it the same color as a Skyline.
Well, you could. What color would you use?
X. Nearly gave it away.
So yeah, it's actually quite a nice little kit. And I've seen a few of these built online as well. It's very, very impressive.
It's just an odd content matter, isn't it?
Well, I mean, Revell being German, the subject matter sort of makes sense to me.
Yep.
And then I guess it's being I don't know. It's a time of electric cars, isn't it?
I haven't seen a Tesla model yet.
No.
That's got to be a thing, surely.
Oh, no, that's probably got to do with licensing, and maybe he says no.
I would like a fridge white Tesla, please.
Fridge white?
Westinghouse white.
That's cool white.
That's the color code.
Is that the color code?
Westinghouse white. That's probably not.
Yeah, that's nice.
But
Okay,
they do look like moving fridges. What's that one?
This is a German figure. It's a really big scale. So this is 1/9 scale. It's made by Italeri, but originally it came out as an SE kit.
Isn't motorbikes 1/9 scale?
Yeah, so this was made in the scale of the big 1/9 Zundup and BMW they released, and also the one with the sidecar, and then the Kettencraft crate.
Yep.
Do you know what a Kettencraft crate is?
No, but I'd like to meet it.
Will you? It's right here.
A Kettencraft craft? What did you call it?
Kettencraft crate.
Kettencraft. It does says Kettencraft.
Does it?
You're adding more words.
No. I guess it depends on where you check, right? Because the full name is Kettencraft crate. So this has been shortened. What's kitten mean again? Kitten means something.
Cat.
Kitten. No, I think kitten means tracks. So this was a tracked bike.
I can see.
Yeah, and it had a handlebar system like a bike, but this system actually didn't actually work.
Wouldn't handle very well, no.
Well, these actually drive without the front bit being on them.
Yeah.
So whenever you move the handlebars, they actually flicked clutches in the sides to control the speed of each track.
Yep.
But these were used. You probably saw these. Have you seen Saving Private Ryan? They had this towards the end at the very last battle, and they had these like flying around. You have a couple of people sitting in the back, or extra weaponry or stuff, and these could also be used for towing another like a small trailer full of stuff. So a very interesting German design. They used them all over the place. But then they also had the Kuberwagen. So that's a big kit.
It sort of looks like a Volkswagen.
Well, it is a Volkswagen.
Oh, there you go.
So
but it's not. It's Kubel.
I'm pretty
sure. Wagon.
Kubel. What's Kubel mean again? Can't remember.
Camouflaged.
Does it? Sounds good to me. And there's the bike with the sidecar. So that's a Zundup.
Zundup.
Yeah. So they're huge kits. And so it makes sense to have a big figure to go with them. So just to give you an idea. All right, so they give you a display stand as well.
Got a rather big helmet, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's got a big helmet. We know all about that, yeah?
Yeah, he's got a big head.
Now I'm going to keep it all sealed up.
You know what they say about soldiers with big helmets?
So let's just zoom in a bit and we'll see the face, because I always like checking the face. There you go. Okay, bearing in mind that this is actually quite an old kit, but Italeri started reproducing these in 2020. So this kit itself probably goes back to the 70s.
Really?
Yeah, but even as an old kit, I mean, it's really well done. So
Nice,
the
thick, chunky
face,
spray.
pretty well sculpted. There's the back of the head as well. So it's in 2 pieces.
It's got big boots.
It's got big boots. Okay, and over here you'll see here's the helmet. Helmet's more in 1 piece, and there's the inner lining. So there's all that extra detail as well.
Well, otherwise it would be uncomfortable.
It would be uncomfortable.
Have you ever worn a helmet without lining?
Can't say I
It's
have.
just like having a wok on your head.
Well, that's what they used to do in Japan.
I don't think they did.
They did.
I don't think they did.
No, they had like a wok helmet, and they used to take it off and cook their meals in the evening.
Don't be ridiculous.
No, it's absolutely
You're
true.
gonna get me in trouble,
I'm not
BJ.
making any of
You're
that.
gonna get me in
You
trouble.
can tell anyone you want, and
No,
you won't be.
no,
You won't
I'm
be
gonna
making a
get
fool
in
of yourself.
trouble.
There's a collar. What do we had here? Oh, here's a boots, right? So you've got the base of the boots, and they've got the tread as well. They've got the studs. Top of the shoes.
Was that for
the
snow?
size for boots. So just for grip anywhere.
Wouldn't be very good on tiles.
Oh, slippy and slidey.
You'd think so.
Well, you just take them off and run around in your socks.
No.
So what have I missed here? Oh, here's the classic German gas mask case. There's their drink bottle.
A gas mask case.
Yep. So they carried gas mask case wherever they went. So during World War I, gas masks were really important because gas was used. And then gas masks were used on occasion, if you need to go through somewhere where it was really smoky from burning.
Or COVID.
Yeah, I guess so.
There was a customer in the store with my own.
Well, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
No?
One of them. So they got all the ammo pouches as well for the rifle, the KR98. And then over here,
Whoa!
there's the big chunky bits. Okay, so we've got, here's the back section. Front's in 2 parts.
Would he be a big enough driver for the X-Max?
X-Max. Oh, it's 1/9, I reckon. Makes sense, doesn't it? And then you got the hands here. And then here's the rifle.
We could have his
bits.
arm out the window or something.
You got the potato masher grenade.
A what?
Potato masher.
Why did it mash potatoes as well?
It looked like a mashed potatoes.
Did they use it for cooking dinner?
I don't know if they actually did, because it would have been quite dangerous. But this was a basic design from World War I as well. It was being refined, and they kept using it in World War II.
Did you have a Browning?
No.
It's great.
No. That's a KR98.
You know your stuff.
I know some stuff. Do you believe me?
Absolutely.
So
Except about the wok. I'm not.
You're not sure about the wok?
I'm not mentioning the
Well,
wok.
that's what happened during the feudal days in Japan, mate.
Don't forget his
Oh,
stand.
yes. The Ashigaru, who are the regular sort of peasant fighters, would be wearing these sort of conical type helmets like that. And they used to carry a little sack full of rice. They used to cook it up when they weren't fighting. Because imagine trying to cook your wok, when you're fighting, it doesn't work.